Hey everybody, this is Gerald with Bentley's. I'm in an attic. It's about 85 outside, so you may know what it feels like in here, but I wanted to show you what I found in the attic this time. Not the first time I've seen it, but this is a pretty good sized one here. I'll pan around here where you can see, but this right here is a bird's nest. It's about 2 feet high. You can see it. But where they're getting in is, I'll get over here where I can see things. There's a gable vent here, and you see this. The screen's loose, a little gap at the side of it, and you see here like it. They're just coming right in there. So, I've been doing it a while. Let me back off where you can actually see how big this is. And there's another one on the other end of the house. It's not this big. You can see what I gotta go through climbing through attics, but just go over here. You see how big it is. When we go to the other end of the attic, I get over here without falling. Nobody been here but me. This is my footprints. But here's the other one. It's not as big, and it's the same thing with that gable vent too. It's loose. The screen is on the inside, and they're just coming right in there. No live birds in here, but some of the things we see in attics. Y'all have a good day.